Hello and welcome to this exciting video on YouTube automation. If you're ready to learn how to build a YouTube channel that can grow on its own while you focus on other things, then stick around because I'm going to take you through every step you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your YouTube automation journey. So let's dive in. First, let's understand what YouTube automation really means. It's about running a channel where you don't need to personally appear on camera or spend endless hours managing content. Instead, you use tools, outsourcing, and efficient systems to make the process faster and easier. Sounds exciting, right? Let me show you how it's done. Step 1. Choose the right niche. The first and most important step is selecting a niche. A niche is the specific topic your channel will focus on. The key is to pick something that has demand and where you can consistently create or source content. Popular niches for automation include finance, health tips, tech reviews, motivational content, or even compilation videos. Research what's trending in these categories and pick a niche you feel confident about. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search suggestions can help you identify what people are searching for. Step 2. Plan your content strategy. Once you have your niche, you need a solid content plan. Start by researching your competition. Look at the top-performing channels in your niche. Take note of the type of videos they post, the titles they use, and how often they upload. Then create a list of video ideas that are unique or add value in a way your competitors don't. Make sure to focus on high-demand topics that your audience is eager to watch. Step 3. Create scripts for your videos. Now comes the content creation part. For YouTube automation, you don't need to write scripts yourself if you don't want to. You can hire freelance writers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Just give them clear instructions about the topic, tone, and length of the script. If you prefer doing it yourself, keep the script engaging and to the point. Include a hook in the beginning, useful information throughout, and a strong call to action at the end. Step 4. Record or outsource the voiceover. If you're comfortable recording your voice, great. You can use free tools like Audacity or paid ones like Adobe Audition to record and edit your voiceover. But if you prefer not to do it yourself, you can hire professional voiceover artists. Websites like voices.com or freelancers on Fiverr are great options. Choose someone who matches the tone and style of your content. Step 5. Find or create visuals for your videos. Since you won't be appearing on camera, you need visuals to keep your audience engaged. These can include stock footage, animations, infographics, or even photos. Platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks offer free or affordable stock footage and images. Alternatively, you can hire video editors who specialize in creating engaging content for automated channels. They can combine your visuals, text, and voiceover into a polished final product. Step 6. Edit your videos. Editing is where the magic happens. You can use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even beginner-friendly ones like Filmora or Canva. Add transitions, effects, and text overlays to make your videos look professional. Keep the editing style consistent to build a recognizable brand for your channel. If you're outsourcing, ensure you give clear instructions to your editor so the final video meets your expectations. Step 7. Optimize your videos for YouTube. Creating a great video is only half the battle. To make sure people find and watch your content, you need to optimize it for YouTube's algorithm. Start with a catchy title that includes your main keywords. Write a detailed description that tells viewers what your video is about and includes additional keywords. Use tags that are relevant to your niche and audience. Don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail that's the first thing viewers see. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are perfect for designing thumbnails. Step 8. Schedule and upload consistently. Consistency is key on YouTube. Decide on a posting schedule that works for you, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Use YouTube's scheduling feature to upload your videos in advance. This way, your audience knows when to expect new content, and you can focus on creating your next videos. Step 9. Promote your videos. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to bring viewers to your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and online communities related to your niche. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and encouraging them to share your content. The more interaction your videos get, the more likely they are to be recommended to new audiences. Step 10. Analyze and improve. Finally, keep an eye on your channel's analytics. Look at metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to improve your future videos. Experiment with different styles, formats, or topics until you find what resonates best with your audience. And that's it! You now have a complete step-by-step guide to YouTube automation. Remember, building a successful automated channel takes time and effort, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. So why wait? Start your YouTube automation journey today and see where it takes you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.